do sleepovers and play with my friends, swim in the swimming pool, and I love to play football.
My name is Pallavi Dalal. I come from Mumbai. I live in Churchgate.
My name is Santhanam. I am working as the CEO of Breach Candy Hospital.
My name is Vandana. Justin's my husband, we have bought this house. We're both lawyers. We live in Bombay and work in Bombay, and you know, Lonavala is like a second home for us.
Myself, Vaishali Shah. This is my husband, Harshit.
I'm Nachiket, and that's my son Shaurya and daughter Miraya. And we live in Bombay. I'm in the exports business, and yeah, this is like our second home, and we love it.
I'm Anushri Pople, and I am a makeup artist.
I was earlier looking in Pune, but then I figured I saw a few properties there. I wasn't really happy. And then I thought, why am I going from one city to another city? And when I drove into a Moda Reserve for the first time, I was just driving in. I saw the landscaping outside the sales office, and I told my friend who was with me, this is it. I'm definitely buying here.
I think the biggest issue we heard a lot of our friends having with second homes is that maintenance is a pain. And here Kalpataru takes care of all of that, which basically was for us the main selling point.
I was looking out for a peaceful, a good community, gated community like this, and ultimately I zeroed on in this. It's a wonderful project. It's just for one reason is, it's just 2 hours from Mumbai, drive, max, even in the rainy season. It's beautiful, very closer to the nature, so it's lovely.
In Bombay, as I've always mentioned, there's very little time, and you're always sort of surrounded with people and phone calls and hassle. And it's trying to sort of detox yourself, get away from the hustle and bustle. And this was the perfect place. We have been spending so many weekends with our friends. This place is just filled with music and laughter and fun. We hit the plunge pool, we walk and run around, we see the kids going and enjoying the greens, and to me that is just something which is priceless.
Come in on a Saturday morning, be able to chill with our dogs, use the plunge pool, go for treks, and then generally relax and unwind.
So when we come here, we feel that you are in a slow motion of your life, you know. So you have a lot of relaxation, mind, peace. You're going back to Mumbai, and then you are again in a fast forward mode for next few days.
First thing is everyone runs to see the garden, if there are any flowers on the frangipani tree or not. Do we have any fruit now? If you go downstairs, you'll see I have lots of papayas growing on my papaya tree. We sit down, we chit-chat. And I think some of our most meaningful conversations happen here because all of us are in that relaxed kind of space and mood.
I like the best is the badminton court, the sports field. My villa is just opposite. I can keep seeing that and walk in any time. And my children, my daughters and my wife and my grandchildren love the fruit garden, the rock garden, everything. We are eagerly awaiting the clubhouse to be commissioned. Once that comes in, I wonder whether I will go back to Mumbai.
We tend to ramble with the dogs all over. I think the park is a great favorite, I think because there are a number of trees, etc. there. But that's a nice place for us to just generally go for our walks.
You know, the other day when my dad was here, you know, he was the wicket keeper and he was the batsman and I was bowling. And to me that is just something which was priceless, like one family doing everything together under one roof. And that is something we're completely enjoying and loving. they have this in-house facility of housekeeping, and it's like a 5-star hotel. They come, they clean up, the house is as good as it was the weekend before that. So it's like no hassle of coming here, maintenance, cleaning, because everything is in-house.
Once you're here, you know your whole house is set. You have to do nothing. Every time we come, there's something new. The welcoming is so hospitable. So it's like great to come here. Everything is planned for you. You don't need to go outside your home.
I have been recommending this villa for many people because one of the greatest things from Mumbai is just a traffic distance.
I have any friends or any relatives from abroad who want to invest in something that can be a holiday home, I would definitely recommend this place.
This is a great place to have your family, and it has all the facilities, etc.
I think that if you want sports, amenities, a sense of your own house, and you want to enjoy it without the hassle of really having to do the day-to-day chores, this is the place to be in, because they have everything under one roof.
Honestly, I have investments in shares and mutual funds and fixed deposits and everything that other people have. That's a cold return. This is the one that's warm and welcoming time after time. So maybe I'm not getting any financial gain out of it, but what it does for me as a person, I can't value that in words. I can't express in words how much it means. It's not just a home for the mind, it's a home for the mind and for the soul.
Amoda has lived up to the promises made of being a home for the mind.
I think that everything that they're trying to do with the hospitality, the service, and the amenities that they're offering us, it's definitely a home for the mind.
You can't expect anything better than this.